Hello, my friends, and welcome back. I cannot wait to get into this. I'm going to do my first layout for the Mercy Tiara Kit Club for June 2024. Y'all, this kit is so darned pretty. I am loving all of the things. I mean, we've got these great little like wax seals that are exclusives. They made them themselves and they're so cute. They even come with the little sticky stuff on them. I mean, just those little touches are so fab. I keep my little container of all kinds of adhesives from Mercy Tiara kits. Y'all, in the shop, like just have it shipped with your kit. It's easy. And I'm going to be using the Sunshine kit. Now, I mean, you can see it all here, but I mean, just, so great. Here is a sketch. I think I'm going to do this one second because I have this idea to start. Let me show you a photo really quickly. This is my daughter and her best friend, and this was at my daughter's bridal shower. So she's nice enough to be wearing a nice hot pink. So voila, that's gonna work for me. Now, I've got this idea of cutting out just the pink, and they're gonna be nestled within the pink. Great, so I have that. Then we have got some gorgeous white cardstock that I'm gonna put the pink on. I don't really know where I'm going with it yet, but I'm going to put the pink onto the white cardstock. So let me move that to the side. I did go ahead while I was working, don't tell anyone, and fussy cut out a whole sheet of these gorgeous florals, which is going to go great with the pink. I also, I've got to make a shaker because we've got this pretty stuff. We have got these really great, I'm trying to decide what color shaker, maybe the white. We've got these great little frame bits. This could be a shaker. I'm gonna make decisions. Oh, and these little bits pop out, so it's super cute. So I really like these florals. I like anything with a floral. So I've got this, and we have got the prettiest confetti mix. So that's what I'm looking at. I'm kind of, I have to make big decisions, just huge. Looking. Now for my project, that's not going to do it. So, you know, the process of elimination actually can be quite exquisite. Okay, so it's one of these two will be a shaker or both. We don't know. And then all kinds of die cut goodies. What else to show you guys? Guys, we've got these sweet little feathers. Don't know what I want to do there. We've got gold doilies, some little wood pieces, and the cutest little tiny paper clip. Then, and there's a complete unboxing on my channel. I'm just carrying on because I like looking at my goodies. We have got all kinds of gorgeous paper, including, look at this vellum. It is from Doodlebugs. It's called Raindrop Sprinkle Shapes Vellum. I'm going to have to bring that into every layout because I love it. So I'm putting that over there. I'm overly excited. Now, on the top here, I have pieces that I might be fussy cutting bits out of. I tend to do that. It's like, let me keep them in my face. Like, do I want to fussy cut this whole piece out yet? I don't know. I've got an idea for that one. Then there's these great pieces you can cut out of this. Like, that would be a gorgeous shaker. Ooh, that might be shaker number 2 with this. If I want to keep floral, because it was a very, very floral wedding shower. What was it called? Petals and Prosecco, I think is what it was. So I might just turn that right into a shaker. So that's going to cause me to do just a little bit of fussy cutting to get to that point. But yum, love that. I mean, this reminds me of my daughter too, because she's like one of those huge planners. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to calm down. So far, that's what I have. Now, what can I mat it all on? This piece of paper, it's beyond stunning and yum. I would want it to be a multicolor. Okay. Let's see if something really makes me go, yep. Oh, that might be pretty. Look at that with this. Oh, wow. Yep, that's going to happen. I think that's the one, unless I go with a much deeper color. Like, I could do the navy for contrast, and then, guys, the pink plaid. Why are there that many good ones? Okay, I'll just narrow it down to most of the kit. Now I can put these to the side for now. Not for long, just for now. Just for now. So let's go ahead and test-a-roo. Ooh, I could even do vellum in between. So let's say this is matted. Well, let's just do this. Well, I take too long to cut nicely. So we've got some of this matted onto this, right? Do we want to use more pink because it was so pretty? Or do we want to come in with a little bit of this color, which is bringing in lots of gorgeous tones? You guys, I'm having so much fun. Okay, this is what I want to do. This is what I want to do. We have made the world's biggest decisions here. I'm going to also mat it with this gorgeous raindrop. So you'll still see the other pattern through it. Okay, it's going to take me a second to do that homework. I have to fussy cut this piece out to make a shaker. They're going to get nestled in there, guys. And then we have so many gorgeous pieces that we can tuck here, there, and everywhere. So I've got some really great traction. I've got my shakers done. And I'm starting to place things so I can get a little bit more of an idea where I want to go. Guys, I just love it. Love all of the goodies. So we've got these great little wood pieces. Those would be great tucked in. And I think I'll start with using the big honkin' ones because they can partially get tucked under these other goodies. So that's cute. Okay, so I have 3 of those. I have all 3 wax seals, which I love. This one's kind of getting hidden with all that pink, so I think I will bring it more over here. Great. So that gives me some really good lump and bump, which I love. Of course, I have my fabulous matte enamel dots. We could have those in every single project. Okay, now what I think I want to do next, well, I have to come up with a title, which I think title will be right about here. Let's see if there's a pre-made Sunshine Dream. It's kind of not the vibe. Always chase your dreams. It's really good. The deep green would be good. It's like a green teal if I bring in enough of that color here and there. So let's work on it. Ooh, like this one, I can totally tuck under there so we don't have the issue with that being cut off. Starting to bring the green in. Hello. Hello, that's how it's done. Ooh, let's look for some, I mean, guys, I think I should use a bigger tray. I need a bigger tray. I have so many goodies. Ooh, I like that. See, these little pieces are a clutch for tucking stuff under. Oh my gosh, look at this. I love it. I just love it. Tucky, tuck, 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 fold. If anybody remembers multiplicity, let me just age myself, people. Let me age myself. So as you see, I'm clearly just going to be tucking every single thing that you've ever imagined and more into this because I just love all of these colors and patterns and goodies. Ooh, I need a little bit more navy. I can tuck that down there. And that funny gap that I had is totally gone now too, which, hello, perfect. Some of these pieces are great because they can be free floating. So I've got some of those that are just kind of hanging around. Ooh, look at this pink one too. We can have that one there. And guys, we've got frames. We've got so many things that I need to stop pulling from this little pile right here because it's not like adding much more at this point. So let me get all of these pieces down. I think we should commit to that. And now my title, should it be Petals and Prosecco, or is that going to be too big? If this is flat, I can do Petals and Prosecco. I think we can do that. Okay, I'm excited. Let me get all of that down, including the title. We'll come back and finish it up. Okay, guys. Like I don't have enough on this layout already, right? So I think the Petals and Prosecco came out really well. That funny little bit right there, that was inside. Which thing was it inside? It was inside one of the letters I used. I'm trying to see. Where was it? Oh, it's inside the A. And it worked perfectly for like a little, like, you know, a little something right there. because it's supposed to read like this. So here we are. Have that, love it. I think it's super, super fun. Now the only other things to kind of think of, I like my hearts. Like, do I want to put like any florals on the hearts? You know, are they sticking out too much? You know, because I need yet more things. Like these little florals are kind of perfect. They're itty bitty. I could use maybe just one of these yellow ones up here. Actually, let's see. If I did one of the yellow ones up there, we had these clusters and I wasn't sure if I was going to want them together or separate, but this is a great use case. That's giving us a nice little bit of yellow there. We've got, do I want to do the same thing? Ooh, I wonder if I did. Guys, I'm sure this has got to be the most boring thing on the planet to watch is somebody fussy cut. I try not to torture y'all with that kind of thing. I have that one. And then if I just took, do I want to take two down here or just one down here? And that would take care of the heart seeming just a little bit too open. So I'll do that. And then I just want to go ahead and put some of these enamel dots on. Now, with regards to the enamel dots, I think I'm going to pop them in and around just on top of some of my, floral centers. That's going to be plenty. I have a lot going on here. I think it's super fun, super pretty, absolutely perfect for this occasion that we were celebrating. I'm not going to put enamel dots on every single piece because I think even for me, that might be a bit much. So for example, this is 1, 2, 3 in that cluster. That's fine. Let's go ahead and put a medium-sized one over here. Cute, cute, cute. And then what I think I can do, I'm just trying to get it centered more while I'm torturing this poor floral. Okay. And then I'll put 2 right here. Just boop, boop. And then we will attach them down. Now guys, I'm gonna have links down below for the Mercy Tiara Kit Club, like the website so you can get your hands on the goodies, of course, as well as a Facebook group. So you can join in, see what other people are making with the kits. You know, they release kit info on there, all of that kind of stuff. Okay guys, that is just downright cute along that little heart there. Oh, we have to put this one on. And then guys, I'm gonna have some still shots to follow. So as things go, y'all, this project, oh, that's so cute. Guys, look at how stinking cute. This project is done. So I will pop a few still shots. I loved just pulling out the strong, strong pink of that paper and just going to town. All right, guys, is there anything else to tell you? I think I might go ahead and put just a few of my confetti bits in and around the florals too. And I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. I think I'm gonna do the sketch challenge for my second layout. Okay guys, see you soon. Bye guys.